Hello children, this is Ipshita Gangopadhyay, teacher from Trinity International School. Students, we have already started with the chapter decimals. And in this chapter, we have also done the exercise 7.1, 7.2 and 7.3. In all these exercises, we have gone through the question based on the decimals, that is place value of decimals. Then you need to write in words whatever decimal numbers are given to you. Then we have done the arrangement of decimal numbers. Then we have also done the addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. We have also learned how to convert the fractional numbers into decimal and decimal numbers into fraction. Now we will go to exercise 7.4, which is based on the word problems, that is on the decimal numbers. So this is word problems on addition and subtraction of decimal. So we will go to exercise 7.4 based on this topic. So let us move to the word problems, and you already know how we write the statements in word problems. So the similar way we will follow in this exercise as well. Now in this, what you are going to do is you have to just add the numbers that is given to you, and we have to add it, and we will get the distance he runs in a day. So let us move to that. Now students, just see here how I have written the statements. So here, distance covered by Vandit in the morning, 3 kilometers, 750 meter. This can be written as 3.750 meter. Okay. Now distance covered by Vandit in the evening, 2 kilometer, 250 meter. So 2.250 meter. Okay. Now total distance he runs in a day, total distance will be obtained by adding these two numbers. So let us see how we have added up these numbers. So see here, I have just written kilometer, 3 kilometer, 750 meter, and here I have put the decimal. So after adding up, you have the result as 6.000. Okay, so that will give you kilometer. Okay, so this is your result. Okay, 6.00 is equal to 6 kilometer. As you know that this comes under kilometer, so that is why you have to write it 6 kilometer. So this is how you need to find out the answer for the given word problem. Now let us go to second question. Rahul is playing throw ball with his friends. In his first attempt, the ball goes at a distance of 17.5 meter, while in the second attempt, it goes at a distance of 6.75 meter. How much farther does the throw ball go in the first attempt? So Rahul was playing throw ball with his friends, and in first attempt his ball goes at a distance of, तो राहुल थ्रो बॉल खेल रहा था उसके फ्रेंड्स के साथ. तो जब उसने फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट लिया थ्रो बॉल करने का, जब उसने बॉल को थ्रो किया उस समय उसका द बॉल गोज एट अ डिस्टेंस. तो बॉल जब उसने थ्रो किया था तो वो कौन से कितने डिस्टेंस में था? 17.5 मीटर डिस्टेंस इट वेंट. ओके, while in the second attempt, when he got again the second chance to throw the ball, that time he threw the ball and the ball went at a distance of 6.75 मीटर. तो उसने जब सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट में बॉल को थ्रो किया उस समय उसके बॉल कितना दूर गया था? 16.75. तो फ्रॉम द फिगर, ये और ये फिगर से आपको पता चल रहा है कि फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट जो उसने बॉल को थ्रो किया था उस समय उसने जो बॉल ने डिस्टेंस कवर किया था वो ज़्यादा था, है ना. द बॉल कवर्ड मोर डिस्टेंस इन द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट, while in the second attempt the distance covered was less than the first attempt. Okay, so how much farther does the throw ball go in the first attempt? So for that you need to just go for subtraction. इसमें से ये जो है from this subtract this. So you have to only subtract the distance and you will get the distance, for how much farther does the throw ball went in the first attempt. So just go for the subtraction. So let's see how we can go for it. So you can write the statements. आप स्टेटमेंट अपने आप लिख सकते हो. तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट में कैसे लिखोगे? द बॉल गोज एट इन फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट द बॉल गोज एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 17.5 meter, or you can write like this: distance covered by the ball in the first attempt. कैसे लिखोगे आप स्टेटमेंट? देखिए मैं वापस बोल रही हूँ. डिस्टेंस covered by the ball in first attempt is equal to 17.5 meter. सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट में क्या लिखोगे? Distance covered by the ball in second attempt is equal to 16.75. Then last sentence, the distance covered by the throw ball in the first attempt than the second attempt. Okay, so this is your last statement where you are going to write the statement like this and you have to just go for subtraction. So let us see how we can go for subtraction. Now see, this is how you need to arrange the numbers. इस तरह से आपने अरेंज करना है. 17.5, 16.75. So this way you have to arrange it. So go for subtraction. 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 14 minus 7 is 7. Then here 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. So your answer come as 0.75. So the distance that is more in the first attempt by 0.75 meter. Okay, so this is your answer. So this way you are going to subtract the two numbers. Third question, it rained 3.5 centimeter on Monday, 2.25 centimeter on Tuesday and 1.75 centimeter on Wednesday. How much did it rain on all 3 days? So you have to write the statements. The rain on Monday is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Rain on Tuesday 2.25 centimeter. Rain on Wednesday 1.75 centimeter. Therefore, total rain on all the 3 days will be, you are going to add all these numbers. Okay, and if you add this number, then only you will find the total rain on all the 3 days. So let us just arrange the numbers and addition you will do. So now see, I have written all the 3 numbers. Just put add. Here you need to go for 1 0. Now this addition you can easily go for it. तो ये देखिए इस तरह से अरेंज करके आपको एडिशन करना है. सो बहुत ईजी है, आप ऐड कर लीजिए एंड दिस विल गिव यू द टोटल रेन इन ऑल 3 days. Question number 4. The thickness of 3 books are 3.8 centimeter, 1.06 centimeter and 2.32 centimeter. What is the total thickness of the books if they are kept one above the other? So you have been given with the thickness of 3 books. So each book has the thickness. First book is 3.8, second is 1.06 and third is 2.32. So thickness of each book is given to you. So next statement is you have to find out the total thickness of the books when they are kept one above the other. तो एक के ऊपर जिस तरह से हम बुक्स रखते हैं, सी इस तरह से एक के ऊपर एक के ऊपर एक 3 बुक्स हमें रखना है और तीनों के आपको टोटल थिकनेस आपको निकालने हैं. तो सबसे पहले आप कैसे लिखोगे कि थिकनेस ऑफ फर्स्ट बुक, थिकनेस ऑफ सेकंड बुक, thickness of third book. Therefore, total thickness of the books when kept one above the other is equal to total. ये तीनों नंबर्स को आपको क्या करने पड़ेंगे, ऐड करने पड़ेंगे. So arrange it properly and then add it. Now see, I have written all the numbers and then add it, put 0 here, and now you can easily add these 3 numbers and you will get the total thickness. Now next question. Akanksha goes to a market to buy sugar. Shop A is selling 1 kilo sugar for rupees 49.75 and shop B is selling 1 kilo sugar for rupees 45.50. From which shop can she buy sugar to save money? How much money will she save per kg of sugar? So here the question says that Akanksha, a girl, went to the market to buy sugar. तो उसने क्या देखा, जो शॉप नंबर ए शॉप था उसमें 1 किलो शुगर इट कॉस्ट हर 49.75. तो 1 किलो शुगर का कॉस्ट क्या था शॉप नंबर ए में 49.75 एंड शॉप बी में सेम 1 किलो शुगर वॉज for rupees 45.5. So which shop can she buy sugar to save money? So which shop is giving you the sugar in less rate, that shop she will buy it. So you can see shop number B is giving you at the rate of 45.50. So she will take sugar from this shop to save her money. तो उसको जब पैसे उसको सेव करने होंगे तो वो कौन से शॉप से लेगी शुगर, ये सेकेंड वाली शॉप बी से she will buy the sugar in order to save the money, isn't it? So how much money she can save if she buys the sugar from shop B? So that you are going to go for subtraction so that you can get the amount of money she can save. Okay, so let us go for subtraction. Now see here, this is how we have to arrange the numbers. So as you can see, this 5 minus 0 is giving you 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4 and this is 0. So she will buy sugar from shop B. Okay, she will buy sugar from shop B and by how much she can save? She can save 4 rupees 25 paise. Okay, 4 rupees 25 paise if she buys the sugar from shop B. Okay, so 4 rupees 25 paise is the saving amount. Okay, So this is how you are going to find out the saving amount for Akanksha. Now let us go for the last question of this exercise. A carpenter had a 0.9 meter long wooden log. He chopped off 0.7 meter of the log to use. What length of the log is left unused? So a carpenter, to make furniture, he has brought a wooden log that was of length. कितना length? बड़ा सा wooden log लाया था 0.9 मीटर्स. So 0.9 मीटर्स का कारपेंटर ने एक बड़ा सा वुडन लॉग लाया था और उसमें से उसने कितना चॉप कर दिया? 0.7 मीटर. He chopped 0.7 मीटर ऑफ द लॉग टू यूज. सो फर्नीचर के लिए कितना वुड की ज़रूरत है? 0.7 मीटर. सो ही चॉप्ड, उसने कट कर लिया. ठीक है, तो इतने बड़े लॉग के टुकड़े से उसने 0.7 मीटर को कट कर लिया. नाउ व्हाट वाज द लेंथ ऑफ द लॉग विच इज लेफ्ट अनयूज्ड? सो अगेन व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू? You are going to subtract, isn't it? So first you are going to write that carpenter bought a log is equal to 0.9 meter. He used the log is equal to 0.7 meter. Now length of the log left unused is equal to 0.9 minus 0.7 meter. So now see, this is how you will write, and this gives you 0.2 meter as unused log. Okay, so 0.2 meter log is unused. So this is how you need to write the statements, and then you are going to solve the subtraction of the number. So with this we complete off with exercise 7.4. Now next topic we will learn about the multiplication of decimal. So first is multiplication of a decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. So how you can easily multiply the given number with 10, 100 and 1000. So let us see with the examples. तो जब भी आपको इस तरह के मल्टीप्लिकेशन दिए जाएंगे तो आपने क्या करना है? देखिए यहाँ पर क्या है? 15.245 into 10. Here you have 89.2081 into 100, and the last question is 4.1763 into 1000. So this questions, if it is given that the given number should be multiplied with 10, 100 or 1000, it is very easy to solve. So let us see how we can solve it. तो सबसे पहले क्या करना है हमें? देखिए ये जो नंबर्स है 152545 into 10. Okay, now what you will do is you don't consider decimal. सबसे पहले क्या करना है? नंबर जो है आप डेसिमल को पहले कंसिडर मत कीजिए. तो when you will multiply this number with 10, then as you do your regular multiplication, there what you do? तो आप क्या करोगे? 15245 इस तरह से आप इस नंबर को लिख लोगे. ठीक है, तो देखिए यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना है? तो देखिए हमें क्या करना है? हमको ये नंबर इसको 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? हम डेसिमल को कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, डेसिमल को हम कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर ये आ जाएगा. ठीक है, सिमिलरली यहाँ भी देखिए. ठीक है, यहाँ भी देखिए 41763 3 zeros. Okay, so this is how इन अवर रेगुलर जो सिंपल हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं उसमें इस तरह से हमारा आंसर आता है। अब हमें क्या करना है, अब देखिए हमने रेगुलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो कर लिया, अब हमारे पास क्या है, देखिए यहाँ पर डेसिमल है, डेसिमल के बाद कितने डिजिट्स हैं यहाँ पर, 3 digits, 1 2 3, 3 digits are there. Now here what you are going to do is आपने यहाँ पर डेसिमल को प्लेस करना है। तो आपने तो रेगुलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर लिया, अब आपको क्या करना है, आपको डेसिमल को प्लेस करना है। तो आपने यहाँ देखा है कि डेसिमल के बाद 3 प्लेसेस है, ठीक है। तो आप क्या करोगे, ये हमको अब क्या करना है, टूवर्ड्स अवर लेफ्ट साइड आना है, ठीक है, राइट साइड से लेफ्ट साइड की तरफ आना है, इस तरह ऐसे, ठीक है। तो आप देखिए, तो यहाँ पर हमने कितना काउंट किया था डेसिमल के बाद, 3 डिजिट्स। सो लेट अस काउंट फ्रॉम दिस साइड, 1 2 3। सो आफ्टर 3 digit पुट योर डेसिमल पॉइंट, सो योर आंसर विल कम एज इस तरह से, ठीक है। So this is how you are going to put the decimal. So here also similar thing. How many digits are there after decimal? 1 2 3 4. So again see 1 2 3 4. So put decimal here. So your number will come as 0.81. If you want to put 0 0 you can put, otherwise it's okay. Okay, so 89020.81। तो आपने यहाँ पर 0 नहीं लगाएंगे तो भी चलेगा, जैसे कि यहाँ पे हमने 0 को छोड़ दिया था, तो इधर भी आप 0 नहीं लगाएंगे तो भी चलेगा। ओके, नाउ कम हियर again. How many decimals are there? After decimal, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4. So again count 1 2 3 4. So your decimal will come here. So your number will be like this. ठीक है, ये 3 0 को हमने नहीं कंसिडर किया है, ठीक है। So like this you are going to multiply the numbers when they are multiplied by 10, 100 and 1000. ओके, सो 10, 100 and 1000 के लिए हमको क्या करना है, हमको रेगुलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं करना है, हमें ओरली ही हम इसको कर सकते हैं। सो व्हाट वी विल डू, ओरली वी विल जस्ट गो फॉर रेगुलर मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड देन वी विल प्लेस द डेसिमल। ओके, now similarly we have other multiplication of a decimal number by a whole number. So you can see here one decimal number and this is whole number. Again see what they did the regular multiplication, जो हमारा regular multiplication है वही हमें करना है ना। और उसके बाद हमें यहाँ पर देखना है कि आफ्टर डेसिमल हाउ मेनी डिजिट्स आर देयर, आफ्टर डेसिमल देयर आर 2 digits. So you are going to put the decimal after 2 digits. So towards your left hand side 1 2, so point will come here, so it will be 895.05. okay, so this is how you are going to multiply a decimal number by a whole number. Now next is multiplication of decimal number by a decimal number. So this will be somewhat different. So here you can see 0.17 by 0.9. So both the numbers are decimal number. Now again see what they did. They have again done the regular multiplication. So यहाँ पर देखिए 17 and 9. So they have taken 17 and 9. So the product comes as 153. Now what you are going to do is you are going to again count the number of digits after decimal. तो यहाँ पे देखिए decimal के बाद कितना digits है, 1 and 2, और इधर भी एक है है ना. तो total how many digits are there after decimal? There are 3 digits, 2 here and 1 here. Okay, so total 3 digits are there after decimal. Okay, so just see what they did. 153 लिख लिया है उन्होंने, और उसके बाद you have to move towards your left with 3 digits. So 1, 2 and 3, then put the point here. So like this you are going to write 0.153. Okay, or further this is the other way how you can go for it. तो यहाँ पर देखिए 17/100 multiplied by 9/10. So your product comes as 153/1000. So you know 1000 means you have to go for 3 digits after decimal. So this is another way to go for multiplication of 2 decimal numbers. So now let us go for exercise 7.5 to do the multiplication problem based on decimals. So if you go for the first question, you can see that the question gives you that the numbers are multiplied by 10 or 100 or 1000. So this sum is oral, so you can easily go for oral multiplications. Now see here, 83.15 into 10. So orally you can say that this is like this. 10 से मल्टीप्लाई है, इसीलिए एक ज़ीरो हमने डाल दिया है, और फिर हमें देखना है डेसिमल के बाद कितने डिजिट्स हैं. So 2 digits, so just go for your right to left. So 1 and 2. So your number will come as like this. Okay, here 100. So your number will be like this. And how many digits are there after decimal? 3. 1, 2, 3. So your decimal will come here 600.2. Okay, here 831.5. You can just omit your zeros. Now here again you have 95340. Then go for 3 decimals. So you will have 95.34. Okay, so similarly go for the rest of the questions. Here is 1000. So 1000 means 3 zeros will come, and then count the number of decimals places. So 4 decimal places. So your answer will come as 9384.7. Okay, here you will get 9384.7. Okay, similarly you can go for the rest of the question. Now let us see the next question, where you have find the following products. Okay, so let us just go for the first question. Here you need to just go for regular multiplication. यहाँ पे आपको regular multiplication ही करना है. जैसे 467 multiplied by 18, सबसे पहले वो complete करेंगे, उसके बाद हम decimal को place करेंगे. Now students, you can see that I did the regular multiplication. देखिए 467 into 18 मैंने कर लिया है. So you know how you have to go for your regular multiplication. So regular multiplication जब हम करेंगे तो हमें ये product मिलेगा 8406. Okay, now you have to place the decimal. So here you can see after decimal 3 digits are there. So just go 3 digits from your right to left. So your answer will be 8.406. Okay, so here you can write 8.406 is your answer. तो आप क्या करेंगे, रेगुलर आपको जैसा आपने मल्टीप्लिकेशन सीखा है उसी तरह से आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे और उसके बाद डेसिमल को प्लेस करोगे. And decimal, when you are placing the decimal, you need to first look to the question that how many digits are there after decimal, then count that. Then for your product you need to move from right to left. Right to left आपको जाना है, and you count the number of digits and then put the decimal. Now you have been given with so many questions, so you can just go for your regular multiplication and put the decimals accordingly. तो यहाँ पर जैसे आपके यहाँ पर दोनों decimal numbers हैं, so you are going to count here 1 2 3 decimal, total 3 decimal numbers are there, so you are going to put the decimal after 3 digits. यहाँ पर देखिए कितने decimal है, 1 2 3 4, so after 4 digits you will put decimal. Okay, so you are going to count the decimal numbers, means the digits after the decimal in the question, and then you are going to put it accordingly in the product. Now here place the decimal point at the correct position in your product. So here already you have been given with the product, only you are going to place the decimal. So for the first question you can see 6.3 into 5. So where you are going to place the decimal, only one digit is there after decimal, so your answer will be this much. Okay, here you have 2 digits after decimal, so your answer will come as like this, 2 के बाद. ठीक है, यहाँ पर देखिए 3 के बाद है, so 1 2 3, that means 36.744 will be your answer. Here 1 2 3, so after 3, so your answer will be this much, 25.650. Then here 1 2 3 4, so see here 1 2 3 4, so your answer will be 65.9502. Here 1 2 3 4, again 140.1498. Okay, so 4 digits. So see here 4 digits. So this is how you are going to go for multiplication. Next question is, if 136 into 14 is equal to this much, then 1.36 into 14 will be how much? So the product is already given to you. You need to just go for the number of digits after decimal and you have to place the decimal accordingly. So here only 2 digits are there, so your answer will come as like this. So you have been given with product. ये product आपको दिया गया है, सिर्फ decimal के places आपको change करने हैं. So यहाँ देखिए 13.6 into 14, so only one place after decimal. So here is the answer. Then here 0.136, that means you need to go for 3 places. तो इस तरह से हो जाएगा आपका नंबर. यही नंबर को देखिए, इसको ही हम चेंज कर रहे हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे डेसिमल्स रखा है. Then you have 4 numbers, so this will come as C. So this is how you are going to write the product when the decimals are placed. Okay, तो एक ही प्रोडक्ट देखिए कि 1904 when decimal places are changed you get different product. यहाँ पे 19 है, यहाँ 190 है, यहाँ 1 है, यहाँ 0. So this is how you are going to solve this question. So with this we complete off with exercise 7.45 and also with the chapter decimals. Thank you.